Hello, in this video, I will detail how to quickly and easily access the Resource Center. There are a few options to access our content. The easiest way for me is to click on the Resource Center tab at the top, which is up here. Another way of accessing the Resource Center is through the footer of our homepage. You can find that here. And you can also access our Resource Center through our product pages like the PBPK modeling platform, Gastroplus. For example, on this Gastroplus page, you can find a right sidebar with a list of peer-reviewed publications citing the use of our flagship software. You can access each individual resource by clicking on that title or access the Resource Center by clicking on the View All Publications. So as I mentioned before, the easiest way for me is just to click this top bar here. Here you can see a search bar here at the top, filters, and these are our most recent publications. And on the left-hand side, you can see our latest journal articles and our latest posters on the right. You can also find webinar replays, presentations, and blog posts from our experts. Stay tuned in the next video. I'll show you how to search by author. Thank you for watching.